For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
If you've been wanting to bring a cafe-style coffee into your kitchen, but worry about the complicated process, the Breville Barista Express Impress BES 876B SSS makes it much easier without taking away the fun of making it yourself. I've been using this machine regularly, and what I noticed right away is how it simplifies tricky steps like dosing, tamping, and keeping the temperature stable while still letting you control the outcome of your coffee. Assisted tamping system. Tamping is something I never felt confident with. I either pressed too hard or not evenly enough. This machine uses assisted tamping that applies 10 kgs of pressure and finishes with a slight twist. The first time I tried it, I saw the perfectly polished puck surface and the extraction ran smoother than my manual tamping attempts. I've read baristas emphasize how important even tamping is, and this system gives you that level of consistency without the learning curve. 25 grind settings with conical burr grinder. Another highlight is the built-in conical burr grinder with 25 settings. When I tested a medium roast, I found adjusting to a finer grind gave me a balanced, richer taste, while darker beans worked better with a slightly coarser grind. Having the grinder built in means your beans go straight from hopper to portafilter, staying fresh, which I noticed improved flavor compared to using pre-ground coffee. Steam wand for microfoam milk. If you enjoy milk drinks, the manual steam wand makes a difference. It took me a few tries, but I managed to create microfoam smooth enough for latte art practice. For me, that was a win compared to machines I used before, where the steam was too weak. The texture here was closer to what I've had at coffee shops. Conclusion. For my own use, the Breville Barista Express Impress BES 876B SSS does what it promises, making manual espresso accessible without losing control. Between smart dosing, assisted tamping, stable temperature, and grinder flexibility, it's a system that feels reliable whether you're just starting out or already experimenting with beans and extraction styles. If you want a machine that balances guidance with hands-on coffee making, this model is worth considering.